Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this silent basketball. But first and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So what I actually want to do today is I want to go ahead and compare the difference between the silent basketball and an actual basketball. I want to compare how big in size are they? Are they the same size? Do they vary in size? What about the sound? Is it really silent? So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It is available in a variety of colors. I went ahead and got the black one. So you could see this is what it looks like. It's actually like a foam material. It says all-star silent basketball size 7. So as far as size, it does feel big. It is squishy, so not as squishy as your normal basketball. Basketball is actually a little bit harder. It does have similar patterns to a real basketball. It has a bounce here on the desk. I'm bouncing it on the desk. It's not making noise. So now let's go ahead and put it to the test. I'm actually going to have my nephew help me out in this video. He's going to go ahead and want to see the sound difference and the quality in the bounce. So I'm going to have him bounce a regular basketball and we're going to have him bounce the silent basketball, and we're going to go ahead and see the difference. So first we're going to bounce a real basketball. We're going to hear how loud it is and the bounce on it. So go ahead and bounce the real basketball. All right, so now we're gonna give the silent basketball a test. All right, I'm gonna pass it to you. As you can see, there is a difference in the bounce.
How my mom won't make me say don't bounce the ball in the house.
There you go.
You do it hard. It's like a little sound, but it's still pretty.
And it actually has some good bounce to it too.
Yeah. But this basketball and the other one, I think this one has a better bounce. The difference of the sound basketball and just a normal basketball.
So it does have pretty good bounce.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a basketball you could actually use indoors and it's not going to be loud like a real basketball, and it still gives you the bounce, it still gives you the feel of a basketball, then definitely recommend this silent basketball.